Then potential
pump damage.
damage. And then operator is to take action, clean it. There is no trip, right? No trip.
There's no trip. It's just an alarm to provide to alert the operator that he needs to switch to another pump.
Yeah.
Let's finish this one.
Standby pump. Pump and clean.
Yes.
Initiate.
And initiate
Cleaning
of the filter. Strainer, yeah.
Oh. So this is more than 30 minutes, right? Because this is not gradual process.
Okay.
Low.
Otherwise, German,
Yeah.
see, when they receive alarm, right? It's not that they will wait more than 30 minutes to replace to switch over to the pump. Maybe we can put it not really.
No. See, why I'm saying, even say for example, if the DPS comes in immediately,
Yes.
it will not damage the pump.
Yeah, correct. But
This definitely 30 minutes they can take action, and they can switch over the pump.
Yeah, but
So
DPH
is
see,
first of all,
they
this
can
is
do, the action that they are going to do anyway is to switch over, right?
Yeah,
So,
correct.
Is the operator going to wait for 30 minutes before he go to the pump and switch over?
No. This is not like this. The response time is the maximum time where operator can work without damaging. So see, operator can take action within 1 minute. That is good, but up to 30 minutes there is no problem. Are you getting me?
Okay.
Yeah. So the time availability does not mean operator has to wait until 30 minutes. Right?
Yeah.
There is no major concern because this is only P3 only.
No problem. Okay. Yeah, I was just thinking instead of saying not urgent, I will put at least prompt.
No. Not required. Because pump damage is a notable, and this is gradual process. DPH.
Yeah,
If
that's what
DPH
I'm saying.
initiates, it will not damage. Even if DPS comes in, it will not damage the pump immediately. This means you have to take
what I'm
action.
saying is even if I put prompt